So I have a huge everything £5 haul and I'm going to show you exactly what I've got. So let's open it. So first up, there's something in here. This is some gel nail polish. It was like reduced to like £1. A nice t-shirt dress. Perfect. Cute pink cropped jumper top with a wraparound v-neck front design. So I feel like I'm gonna love this one. I love knitwear and I'm obsessed with jumpers. Cute crop knit jumper. I love the colors, pastel colors. This is a Gillette and it's so soft and it's not thick at all. Like I really wanted a Gillette for spring. Oh, it's so cozy. You can even just wear this at home. White jacket to wear out. It goes so well with leggings. The white dress. So I got this because it was so similar to a Zara one from last year. So pretty. Had to get this top. I think I've even ordered it in 2 colors. Look at this top. This is a jacket because I'm obsessed with jackets and it's a teddy style. Oh, I love it. What a bargain. This is another jacket. I really wanted a white crop jacket for spring. This might be boohoo. Look at that. This is like a white dress. This is the white version of that top that I got. Love it. How cute. And obviously I had to get shoes, so let's see. So these are sock boots and I've seen them in Zara and they're everywhere right now and I just wanted comfortable boots that I can wear. So I got these with a suede heel. Really nice. So stay tuned for the try on haul.